Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and being safe at home. I am Riya Dasani, your English teacher from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Students, will start copy work of chapter number 4, A Wonderful Gift. Okay, so students, this way you are supposed to write lesson number 4, A Wonderful Gift. Then new words, and you have to underline these, ठीक है, with red margin. Students, these are your new words. Your first new word is EXCEPT, except. Students, your second new word is ticking, TICKING. Third new word is BRUSHED, brushed. Your fourth new word is PRETTY, pretty. Your fifth new word is SPRANG, sprang. Students, your sixth new word is HUGGED, hugged. Your seventh new word is PRIEST, priest. Your eighth new word is PAINTER, painter. Students, these are your word meanings. Number 1, very still. Students, very still means something which does not move, means which is kept still, which does not move, without moving. Very still means without moving. Your second word meaning is overjoyed. Overjoyed means very happy. Being happy is something different, and being very happy is overjoyed. Your third word meaning is alarmed. And alarmed means scared, means being scared. Alarmed means scared. Okay, your fourth word meaning is several. Several means many. Many means more than one, a lot. More than one, two, it could be 3, 4, many means a lot in number, or many, several, right? Students, now we are moving to question answers. Okay, so students, now we will move to question and answer. Students, you are supposed to write it in this way only. You have to write answer the following and you have to underline it, okay? And you have to draw red margins as well. When did Benjamin draw a picture of his baby sister? Students, when did he draw it? When she was sleeping, when his baby sister was sleeping, right? He drew the picture of his baby sister when she was sleeping. When she was sleeping, right? What did Benjamin use to draw the picture? Okay, what did he use? He did not have paper and pencil, right? He used something else, right? What did he use? Let's see. He used a piece of cardboard and a charcoal to draw the picture, because he did not have pencil and paper. So he used cardboard as the paper and he used charcoal as the pencil, right? Question number 3. Why didn't Benjamin know that his mother was back? Students, why he did not know? Because he was so involved into that drawing. He was so into that drawing, so he could not know, he did not know that his mother came back. He was so deeply involved into his drawing that he didn't even know that his mother was back. He was so involved in the drawing, he was so into that drawing, so he could not know that his mother came back. Okay. Question number 4. How did Benjamin's mother first feel when she saw the picture he drew? Okay, Benjamin drew a picture of his sister sleeping, right? How did his mother feel when she saw the picture? Benjamin's mother felt so happy and overjoyed when she saw the picture, because Benjamin has drawn it so beautifully, Benjamin has drawn it so nicely that his mother was so happy and overjoyed that, oh, my son has drawn such a beautiful picture of my daughter, right? Benjamin's mother felt so happy and overjoyed when she saw the picture. Okay students, now we will see who said to whom, who said these lines to whom. This child has a wonderful gift. Who said these lines? The priest of the church has said these lines, right? The priest said to Benjamin's parents. When the priest saw that drawing, no, he said the child has a wonderful gift. The God has given him the gift. The priest said to Benjamin's parents, how did you learn to draw such a lovely picture? When Benjamin's mother saw that picture, she asked him, how did you learn to draw beautifully? How did you learn to draw this much beautifully? Mother asked Benjamin. Who asked Benjamin? Mother asked Benjamin. When she saw that picture. Okay students, now we have to make sentences. Some words have been given to us. We have to make sentences. Pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty means beautiful, right? Reena's mother gifted her a pretty dress. Reena's mother gifted her a pretty dress. Second word is picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. Anu drew a beautiful picture. Anu drew a beautiful picture. Third, cardboard. C-A-R-D-B-O-A-R-D. Cardboard. Cardboard is a very hard thing. Cardboard is a very hard thing. It's not a usual paper. Beta, you have to underline the word cardboard, picture and pretty, like we have done it. Okay. So students, I hope you have understood these question and answers. Thank you.